Hello guys, today's topic is immovable property. So the question here is, what is immovable property? But before that, we have to understand why we need to understand what is immovable property. There is a compulsory provision of registration of immovable property under Registration Act 1908. That is why it is important to understand what is immovable property. So let's start with the question, what is immovable property? There is no special definition of immovable property in Transfer of Property Act 1892. To understand it, we have to refer General Clause Act 1897 and Registration Act 1908. So, according to these provisions, Section 3 of TP Act, Section 3 subclause 26 of GC Act, and Section 2 subclause 26 of Registration Act. It includes land, benefit arise out of land, things attached to earth. Things attached to earth include rooted in the earth, embedded in the earth, attached to what is so embedded in the earth. Embedded in the earth example, any house whose foundation is beneath the surface of the earth so that it cannot move. That is embedded in the earth. Attached to what is so embedded in the earth. For example, a window in a house is a perfect example of attached to what is so embedded in the earth. Now, immovable property, what it does not include. It does not include standing timber, growing crops, and grass. Yet, it is not an exhaustive provision. Thank you.